In this video, I am going to show you how to install Downloader on any smart TV. First, ensure that your smart TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Downloader is a popular app that allows you to easily download files and apps directly to your smart TV. To begin, navigate to your smart TV's App Store. Depending on your TV brand, this could be the Google Play Store, Amazon App Store, or the Samsung Smart Hub. Use the search function to look for Downloader. If your smart TV supports it, select the app and click on Install to download it. If you cannot find the Downloader app in your TV's App Store, you may need to enable installation from unknown sources. To do this, go to your TV's Settings, then navigate to Security or Privacy and look for an option that allows installations from unknown sources. Turn this option on. Once you have installed the app, open Downloader. You may be prompted to allow the app to access files on your device. Accept this request. The interface will allow you to enter URLs to download files directly to your TV. To download an app or file, enter the URL of the app you want to install in the provided space, and click Go. The app will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, you can install the app directly from Downloader. After installation, you can find the newly downloaded app in your smart TV's app list. If you experience any issues during the installation process, double-check that your TV's firmware is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. And that's it. You can now use Downloader to install apps and files on your smart TV easily. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.